Okay.
Hey everybody, it's Team Janssen and Paula here with Paula,
Hi.
Megan,
Hi.
and me. After a long hiatus, we are finally starting our YouTube videos again.
Woo.
So keep an eye out for them. We'd like to actually introduce our new advertising, marketing, and social media coordinator, Cindy Johnson.
Woo!
Hi. Thank you, Janssen and Paula and Megan, for welcoming me into the office, and it is now my responsibility to make sure that you get to see more videos just like this one.
Woohoo! Here we
So-
go.
Awesome.
Now we've got Megan and Paula talking about open houses that they're doing this weekend.
Alright, so this weekend I have an open house at 84 Bridge Street East in Napanee. It's on Saturday from 1 to 3 p.m. and it is listed at $279.9. It's quite a charming place. It has French doors, a beautiful backyard, and I hope to see you there.
And I have one Sunday 2 to 4 in Stirling at 1290 Rosebush Rd. It's a country home on just over an acre lot, 2-car garage. It's got 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and I hope to see you there.
What's the price at, Paula?
That one is $309.9.
Thank you. All right, everybody. That's it for now. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye!
See ya.